Hey guys, it's Sarah aka saradplans. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the January Planner Society kit, and I also got the matching B6 Traveler's Notebook, so I'll show you guys that too. I'm going to start with the box and then I'll show you guys the Traveler's Notebook after the box. So I'm just going to open the box and set it off to the side, and then show you guys what is in it. Okay, so this is the bag that the main kit comes in, and then I also get the washi subscription, so that is what is in this box, or bag, sorry. Alright, so I'll start with the main box. Or the main, yeah, it's the box. I know it comes in a bag, but that actually came off pretty good. Oops, I ripped it. Oh well. All right, what is my child doing? Okay, so the first thing we have is this little bag, and it's has a cute little floral snap closure, and then it has a zipper, and this is just a cute little like pencil bag. I really like that. And then the pen, so the pen has this same floral pattern, and then it has this rose gold glitter, and it is a ballpoint pen, probably black. Yep. That writes really nice. Okay. Then we have these sticky notes for this month. So those are pretty. Just a little decorative floral sticky note. And then looks like we get some stamps, which I'm not going to open these because I don't use them. So you get urgent, priority, schedule, start, email, goals, follow up, Instagram. So they're like little boxes, so you stamp it and then you can put right in the box. Then we have a little bow. So this is like a TN like charm bow thing. So that's pretty. And then you also get a longer chain, which you can use to attach it to a regular planner. And then we have the tabs and the labels, which I'm not going to open this right now. Okay. Then we have a DIY item. So these are just some clips and elastic, and these are to make pen loops. So I use this E6000 glue to make them. So that'll be fun to do. Then we have the washi. So the washi that comes with the main kit is that same floral pattern like on the pen. And it has some rose gold foiling. This is really pretty. Then we have an adhesive patch, and it's just a little coffee cup. And then we have all of the die cuts, so I'll open this up and spread them out really quickly so you guys can see. And then we have some journaling cards. The next thing are these doilies, which I really like getting these in the kits. So you have 3 of this small size with the black polka dots, and then 3 of this larger size with this floral pattern. Then I have the stickers for this month. And then the last thing that comes in the main kit are the papers. This paper is so pretty. Okay, so you have this paper, which this is the front and the back. And then we have this one. So, front and back. And then this is a piece of vellum, and it has that rose gold foiling again. And then another piece of vellum with the rose gold foiling. And then this is a piece of acetate, but this also has the rose gold foiling. And then the last set of papers, front and back. So that's it for the main kit. And then I do get the washi subscription. Okay. So these are the 3 additional washies. So you have this thick washi, and this has the rose gold foiling. This like standard size washi, and then a skinny washi. So I really like these. So that's everything for the kit, and then now I will open up the matching B6 TN. Okay, so this is the inside. So you have 4 elastics and 2 pockets, bigger pockets like this. And then this is the outside looks like. So I'm really happy that I got this matching TN. I love it. I'm not sure if I'm going to switch into this one right away or wait a little bit, because I really like the one that I got in my December box. But I love this one also, so I don't know yet. But anyway, I will do a video when I do switch so you guys can see how I set up my Tiana as far as like decorating and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.